Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel once again. So of late I have been getting a lot of messages and complaints from some of you saying that you are finding it difficult to add shipping address onto your 1688 app. You are finding it difficult to add shipping address onto your 1688 app, especially after you've received the address from your shipping agents. So I'm here to tell you that this video is for you, so you need to stick till the end. Then you find out on how to add shipping address onto your 1688 app without finding any challenges in the process. So basically you can see that this is my 1688 app I've opened in there, right? So before we get into this video, I know most of you have missed us here on YouTube. Yes, we have been away for a while now, trying to put some things in place, but guess what? We are back to creating more contents and educative contents for you. So stay tuned and more content is coming your way. So now let's dive straight into the process of adding shipping address to our 1688 app. So before we can add an address onto this or into our 1688 app, the first thing you need to do is you contact your shipping agent to seek for the shipping address. You contact your shipping agent to seek for a shipping address. So the shipping agent will provide you with the shipping address. So the shipping agent will provide you with the shipping address you want to use. So that's getting your shipping address from the agent. So now your shipping agent will provide you with the address, but before you copy and paste it into 1688 app, there are some important things you need to add into the address the agent will provide for you. There's some important things you need to add into the address the agent will provide for you. Don't just copy it that way as the agent has given to you to paste it into your 1688 app. There's some petty things you need to add. So let me show you an example of how the address looks like and what some of these important things are that you need to add into the address before you copy and paste into your 1688 app. So let me show you one of the address. Let me open my WhatsApp. All right, so this is my WhatsApp. You can see one of the address, an address from an agent. So one agent provided me with this address. So what are the most important things you need to add here? You can see in here he wrote name and number. And you can see it is repeated here again, name and your number. It's repeated in there. So you don't just copy, you just need to go through. They'll provide a portion for you to add your name and your number. So you need to make sure you do just that. So you need to make sure you do just that. You need to add your name and your number. So you copy. How do you add your name and number? Let's copy it, press and hold. Then I'll copy. Then paste it in my search bar. Just paste it in your message where you type your message. I'll paste it there. Then clear the name and number and put my name and number there. Let's clear it. Make sure it's still in the brackets. Name, what's my name? You can put your name. Let's say maybe Key to Wolf. Sorry, let me give some space. Key to Wolf. Then put comma. Then add your number. You can add your number. Whatever country you are from, just add your number. Whatever number you use, make sure your number is in there. Then close the brackets. You do same for the shipping mark below the shipping mark. Do same for that name and number. Make sure the name you kept in the first box is the same name you're adding your shipping mark. Key to Wolf, comma. Then add the number. All right, so that's the number in there. So someone will ask, why is this important? So it's important because that name and the number you're adding there helps the shipping agent identify your goods when it arrives. So without it, it becomes very difficult to trace the owners of or the owner of those products when it arrives in your country. In fact, even some shipping agents don't even accept it don't even accept your goods when there's no name and number on it, displayed on your package. So shipping agents wouldn't accept it in the China warehouse when there's no name or number displayed on it. And one of the disadvantages, they even accept and it gets to Ghana here, consider your package missing. I get in it because they wouldn't identify the person, and I'm not sure you get it unless you go to the warehouse. They now start searching from one product to other before they can find your things. I get in it. So that's what most people. This is one of the reasons why most people things get missing, because sometimes it's not their fault. They can add the name and number, and if it gets to the supplier, the supplier will clear those ones off. The supplier wouldn't add it. Make sure you tell the supplier to add it. I get some suppliers, because most of them are Chinese people, they don't understand, so they clear those ones away, then paste the Chinese write-ups on your package and ignore the name and your number in there. Some suppliers do that, so make sure you tell your supplier they should add your name and number. That's one of the reasons why most paper packages get missing, because of this simple or petty mistake that they haven't added. So with this, when your supplier gets this shipping address, they'll print it and paste it on your package. That's how it's going to make sure your package gets safely to your country. They'll paste it on your package. If it gets your country, they just need to go through and say, oh, okay, this product is for so and so, and the number is there, and they'll call you for it. So that is it. So now, after you've done the necessary correction, let's copy this again, select all, then we cut it. Then you open your 688 app. Once you are done, let's open your 688 app. This is my 688 app, and you can see the interface. That's my 688 app. Once you open it, you look at the bottom of the screen, you see a profile icon. That is a human icon, human head symbol. That is a human head symbol. I think that's the last icon at the bottom. Let me show you. You can look below the button, the last icon. You see where I've circled. So that is it. You tap on it. It opens up another pop-up like this for you. So if it opens up another pop-up like this for you, note now everything is going to be in Chinese. Everything is going to be in Chinese, so you need to translate it. If you're finding it difficult to translate, go back and look at you go and look at my previous video. I've created a video on how to translate your 688 app into English. So I recommend that you use Google Translate to do your translation. This will help you translate these Chinese write-ups into English. So you can go to my previous videos and watch how to do the translation. So since I'm already used to it, I can navigate without even translating. I can go through the app without translating once I'm familiar with where I have to go and what the things are. So once you're in the profile, once you tap on the profile icon, you look at the top where your Taobao number is. At the top where your Taobao number is, most of you can see it's written TB and there's other numbers at the top. You see it's written TB and other numbers, but me, I've changed it to my name. See where I've circled? I've changed it to my name, so I wouldn't see those TB and other things written in there. So if you haven't changed it, you're going to see something like TB and some numbers added. So that's your Taobao number. So that is it. You need to make sure you see that Taobao number. If you don't see that Taobao number, meaning you have not logged into your 688 app, meaning your 688 app is not logged in. If you log in successfully, that Taobao number has to be there. But if you don't log in, you wouldn't see that Taobao number. So make sure you see the Taobao number. So after you see the Taobao number displayed, you look below it, you see a location symbol. Just below that Taobao number, you see a location symbol. You can see it there. Below it, you can see this location symbol there. Yes. So you just see the location symbol. Then tap on it. You tap on it. Let's tap on it. So just tap on it and wait for some few seconds. It will be loaded up. So yes, you can see I have a lot of addresses in here. These are all my shipping addresses. You can see a lot of addresses in here. They're all shipping addresses. But you as a first-time user, this section is going to be empty for you. It's going to be empty. It's going to be an empty section for you. So just look below. Just look below. You see this orange button. That is the add button, add shipping address button. This is the orange button. Look below where I've circled below. See the orange button below. Just tap on it. Tap on it and wait for some few seconds for it to load up. Then at the top, you see a big white box. That's where you paste your shipping address from your agent. This is the big white box I'm talking about. You just see this big white box. Just paste the shipping address your agent provided for you, but make sure you've added your name and your number. So I'll just go. I've copied it already. Remember, I copied it from my WhatsApp. So I'll just press and hold and paste. So after I've pasted it, so you go ahead and press and hold and paste it. So after I've pasted it, so below it you see another orange button just below the address where you pasted it. See another orange button that is here. You see it where I've circled. You see that small orange button there. You just need to tap on it. If you tap on it, it will automatically fill the right sections this side. Let's tap on it. Okay, so I've tapped on it. If you tap on it, automatically fill it. You notice it to fill all these parts. So you don't need to fill those parts. Remember, first it was empty. So if you tap on it, it will fill all this part automatically for you. If you fill all this part automatically for you, please do not change anything. Do not change anything. Just leave it as it is. Do not change anything. Then after it fills that button for you, then you are going to see this. Let me show you this. Sorry. Okay, you'll be seeing this. I don't know how to call it. Is that an on and off symbol? This one. I don't know if I should call it on and off symbol. So that symbol in there is telling you that you want to make your address. If you on it, you are telling the system to make this address your default address. If someone should say default address, I guess you know what I mean. So if you say default address, that's going to basically the address you'll be using forever until you want to change, or until you add a different address and you change it. I get it. But if you want to use that address as your default, as the address you'll be using permanently throughout your shipping journey, you can turn it on. I get it. You turn it on. You can see that's my default address. I've turned it on. It's on like that. So after you've confirmed that everything is set, make sure you check your number and your name. Make sure it's set, and make sure it's your name and your number in there. So after you've confirmed everything, the final thing is to tap on the orange button at the button here. Tap the orange button at the bottom. This orange button. Tap on it. Then if you tap on it, boom, then your address has been added successfully. That is it on how. I don't want to add it because I already have an address in there. So you as a beginner, just tap on the orange button below, then it's added successfully for you. If you tap on it, it will automatically add for you. Then you can go ahead with your purchase, or you can go ahead with navigating through your 688 app, or going ahead to purchase a product from your app. So, and that is it on how to properly add a shipping address onto your 688 app. If this video has been helpful, please don't forget to give a like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, because this will help us create more videos for you. And make sure you always leave a comment after watching. Bye, and see you on next video.